Where's Sean there? Sean come. Do wait for him. You're not fine, yes. So guys, this dog is enjoying this East Indian mango like as you can see. Hmm? No sir. Brownie want a piece of but she don't know if we get piece. Brownie asks for piece. Don't come down here. Ask for piece or maybe she will give a piece. What?
You are going dog, you don't know the boss, I got to take over a dog and the dog said, the dog take over me. Dog, get up.
Guys, I really have to make you see how Spot really enjoy this mango. No, so. Also, babe, me never see one dog eat East Indian mango like this before. Let me tell you. And no other dog can East Indian mango. You know, long brownie want one piece of East Indian mango. Brownie. Our brownie like down, you know, making body black so. No, look on him. Spot enjoy, she full joy her East Indian mango. She don't want a disturbance. She not even want me disturb her. May I tell you. Yeah, man. But look how many want my mango seed for plant. Spot. I want my mango seed to plant. Look how she deal with the mango seed wicked. Left him not where you're troubling for. You're making left him mango seed and not done eating mango seed yet.
Making left the seed that you can plant. You know, stand that you invite.
Invite you. To a sweet spot. 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 Hey, Spot. You enjoy mango? You enjoy the Eastern mango? Tell me. Look at me. You enjoy the mango, right? Spot. Hey, Spot. Spot. Come on. Do something for your camera. Show me say you full jar your mango. Hey. Alright. So guys, the fish won't say she enjoy her mango because I just tell her to show me say she enjoy her mango and she make sure walk. Go look back for her mango where she need on eat it. I'm gonna finish it off. So yeah, what have to say about that? Dog eat mango. Jamaican dog, Jamaican style. So yes peeps. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. So when I post a video, you will be first to be notified. Ouch. Fire to his king spot and Spot said, yo, no sir. You know, see your Spot just stand up and look by you. And you know, see as he drop Spot just move with this, just step over like someone say thank you. And from that, look my Spot same way. Say that I did with the mango like a human being. It white, you know. If mango see get white. Like I when one human being would eat it. Let me show you guys. Spot come like you know like what me I say you know. Spot But Spot I don't lie. See it if you prove, look at the mango seed white. Look there. Look all the strand them like a bead like a no Spot. I don't care what you want to say. Watch him. I don't like what me I say. Spot, come here. Come here, Spot. Spot. Come here. You want to eat a mango in peace? May I trouble you with a mango? Spot. May I trouble you with... Oh, yeah, watch Brownie come. Brownie said, I that tell you for me, you're bright, man. I don't want that. Spot. Brownie, you're not getting none of that mango. Oh, who? Really? That's not nice. Brownie. Alright, Miss Won't come here.